Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Got out of the shower, but let's go down and see what happened with our bookmarks. They are dry, as you can see. Tippy-tappy. Yep. Okay. And you're going to go on this adventure with me. Okay, like it or not, you're going to. We're going to see how this can come apart and what things will look like. Eek! Alright, let's get the tape off the back. Oh my goodness. I'm hoping this doesn't take too long. Because I know your time's valuable. Oh, is that a piece that's coming off? Yeah, yes. Okay. Ooh. I'm excited. Okay, that can just be trimmed off with the scissors. And the hole can be, well, it's just for snots and giggles. Okay. That can be opened up. Alright, these scissors aren't the best, but let's give it a try. Okay. Alrighty. Maybe a file to them, I'm not sure, but that's how they turned out. And, yes, I'm excited. Quite pleased, actually. Absolutely. Our next step, I think, is going to be putting resin on them. I think. And that's done upstairs. I do not have a space down here for resining, but yeah, when my guy gets here, we can make a lot of space for different things. Okay, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'm going to continue to undo all these, and we will see you guys next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye for now. Have a great Sunday.